Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can make moving objects in Geometry Dash. Now let's say that I want to move all of these blocks right here so my player is not going to die when it touches this specific part of the map or level. The first thing that you want to do is to, of course, add the move trigger on your level. So just click on this specific category, and inside this page you want to find the move trigger. In most cases, it's going to be on the beginning of the column, which is going to be this one. And in my case, I'm going to place it where if my character triggers this specific move function, it will then move all of this block. So of course, you then want to highlight all of your blocks that you want to move. Let's navigate back to the edit function, highlight all of our blocks right here, and click on the edit group button. Inside this page, you have to click on the next free button, click on add, and basically you're good to go. Let's click on the move function from here, click on edit object, and basically you then want to target your group that you want to move. In our case, since our group ID is 1, you then want to put 1 right here. And basically from there, you can then adjust this the way you want to. So if you want to move the Y or the X, you can simply do so. Just make sure to select the touch trigger, or if you're using spawn triggers on your level, you can then select the spawn trigger option. For the move time, I then want to move them quickly, so I'll reduce the move time timer right here. And then for the easing one, once again, you can adjust this depending on your style. So if we play out the level, it should go ahead and look something like this, where it will move out our objects completely. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.